This is you, making video games, maybe even uploaded a few video games, but none of them earned you a single dollar. You're broke. And this is you after applying what I teach you today. You will still look roughly the same, but make $100 in just 1 week. I'm Thunder Limited, and I'm going to teach you how I made more than $1,000 selling Godot plugins. But before we get started, this is proof, so you can trust me. The first thing I did, and you should too, to make your first sales is go through your old games and figure out what systems you have already implemented. For example, in one of my games called Repurpose, I had implemented local multiplayer, which lets people play with friends on the same Wi-Fi, even without internet. And I thought, why is local multiplayer so difficult to implement? I could definitely make a plugin that makes things simple. So I opened a page on Patreon, posted a video on YouTube, and uploaded my first plugin, LAN Multiplayer for Godot 4, and put it up for $5. After just 1 week, I made my first 14 sales, generating me well over $70 because some paid me in euros, and euros converted to dollars is more money. So after you have figured out the systems you want to sell as plugins, copy the files in your game that have this system and move them to a new folder called add-ons. This is the hard part. You will have to adjust the stuff of the systems to make it so that any user can put custom information. For this, you can use things like exported variables. Once your plugin is finished, export it into a zip folder and post it somewhere like itch.io. Before, I used to upload on Patreon, but itch is a much better choice for plugins. Then what I want you to do is, on itch, use the template I provided in the description, which costs just $5. Don't worry, you will make your money back in less than a week. The templates come with the information you will put on your itch page, product page, and other stuff on YouTube that I will talk about. So after you've finished your plugin and posted it on itch, you will need to find a way to promote it. And the best way to do it is by posting on YouTube. The template has the rules you need to follow when creating your profile, banner, and description. After your channel looks good comes the video part. Record yourself implementing the plugin. You can add captions and even record your face, but what you really need to have in the video is you successfully setting up the plugin, background music, and a way to communicate with your audience, either using your voice, AI voice, or captions. For the thumbnail, use the thumbnail template that comes in the assets. You can adjust the title, icon, and background on Photopea. Then, for the details in your video, use the title and description from the template. Then just make sure to add the real URL of your plugin from itch. After all of this is done, all that's left for you is posting the video and wait. Getting views takes time. After the days go by, if your video is good like mine, you can expect 100 to 300 views in 1 week and 1 to 4 sales. Why will you make fewer sales than me? Because I already made plugins for what most people want. But if you have systems that I still didn't do and that are in even more demand than my plugins, then you can make even more than my $1,000. It all comes down to how in demand your plugin is. So not only will you make your $5 back, but you will be able to generate even much more money than me if you actually put in the effort and use the template I gave you. And that's it for today. I hope you learned what I taught you and use it to buy your first MacBook. Until next time, see you on Thunder Limited.